Sabra Johnson, 1964 Baja Beetle here. We're in step 24 of my 25-step build process. Baja Beetle, we're talking about for multiple years in the making. But we're here now. The mechanical is finished, the fabrication is finished, the body is finished, the paint is finished, the post-paint work is finished, the big garage, finishing interior and technology, that's finished. And yeah, the final assembly, that's done. And now at this point, I'm talking about fine-tuning. Functional. I want to make sure everything is functioning, everything is working. The last thing is beauty. Now the car is built, and then I look at it.